Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another lovely, great YouTube video. Man, I've said that so many times. Today is definitely one for the history books for myself. This is definitely a monumental video, one that's a huge milestone that I don't even know how to start it, honestly. I've probably done this multiple times. I've retaken this video multiple times, and at this point, I'm just gonna try and be as transparent as I can and just say this is the final one. I guess just dive right in. Thank you guys, honestly. I know I get very sentimental in some of my videos, and especially at the very end, and I say thank you guys a lot, and it probably sounds super repetitive at this point because there's not enough thank yous in the world to say thank you, if that makes sense. I have recently taken the leap of faith and have quit my actual regular 9-to-5 job to pursue the passion and dream of mine, which we all call YouTube. I'm sure everybody's dream in the world, or most people's, is to become a YouTuber. And not many people can say that they can quit their 9-to-5 and just pursue exactly what they dream for and what their passions are for. I'm very lucky to be in the place that I am now and have the opportunity that I have to be able to do this. We have recently taken that milestone, that stepping stone, to finally move forward and basically do this at 100%. This is my plan A. This was never my plan B. Obviously, not everybody feels comfortable into doing so, and I'm not saying that me taking that leap of faith was the most comfortable thing, but it's definitely a new thing. It's definitely a new experience, and I don't know. I can't believe it. We have done it, guys. We have gone through the years and have done a lot. I mean, sometimes I look back at my old videos and I just can't believe the persona that has changed within me, and to see how much I've developed as a person, and to see how much as much as my YouTube community and my Instagram community has developed as well. You guys are very supportive. You guys lift me up a lot, and as much as some of you tell me that I'm inspirational to you, you guys are inspirational to me. You guys give me the motivation, the drive to do this, and I've taken all that energy and outputted it into doing this and just giving it my all. And so now, at first I was a little nervous, but when I put in my 2 weeks at my job, which if you guys didn't know, yes, I was never doing YouTube full time. This was never going to be a thing, I thought this soon. But when I put in my 2 weeks, it didn't hit me yet up until, honestly, probably right now. It's probably hitting me right now. Because to think that I'm going to wake up Monday and this is it. And I know that we're not at 50K or 100K, but I mean, we're gonna reach there, and I believe it. I have such a positive mindset in my head, and you know, I believe in the law of attraction and keeping the positivity going around. But I believe that, you know, we've are at a good place now, and ever since then, you know, I don't know. I told you, I'm going to try and make this video as transparent as possible. I'm just at a loss of words into trying to explain this milestone that I've just taken. Because it's nerve-wracking too at the same time. On top of that too, you guys have supported me with not just YouTube, not just with the Instagram, but with the journey of the car. We have gone through hell and back. We have gone, you know, honestly, I felt defeated so many times in my life. And like I said, you guys have lifted me up. And now we're in the place where we are now. That just seems unbelievable. Like, the mindset is truly an amazing thing, and it's stuff like that. I feel like a lot of people don't know how to shift. You got to shift your perspective and really see life in the most positive way you can, even when the times get hard, because that's what's going to keep you progressing in life. And I promise you guys that. I feel like I don't want to ramble off and just go into different tangents. But guys, if you ever have a passion or a dream that you want to sought out for, no matter how small the beginning is, just take the first step. I promise you guys, taking that first step is the biggest thing. There's so many people that I've met that have told me their ambitions and goals and have yet to take that first step. So take the first step today. This is your sign. Take it from me. It honestly takes that first step to just begin, and you never know where it will take you out in life. If you ever thought about creating a YouTube channel, do it today. Make a video, use your phone. It doesn't even matter what you use. If you go back on my old videos, guys, none of my videos were like high production quality. None of the content back then was like amazing. It was, I mean, literally go scroll all the way back to my first video. It was the most cliche video I think I've ever made. I think it was like a fight scene that I made with my friends that didn't even relate anything to cars. So you never know where you're ever going to expand in the future, but start today. It honestly just takes the first step, and it sets you for success. You cannot fail unless you give up, and that's my belief. I will always succeed as long as I'm pushing myself, and I believe in that. So yes, we quit my job. We quit my 9 to 5. I don't know, I feel like I talked a lot about that, and I feel like we got into a good marker with it. Man, like what else do I say, right? But goals for the future. Goals for the future of the channel. I know I say it a lot, but of course more content. Now that this is my full-time thing, you guys are going to be getting content quite a lot here. I'm hoping to keep it expand to either 3 times a week or every single day of the week. I don't know, that's a big jump. We'll see about that, and then, you know, take my break on the weekends. I don't know. Well, I'm still trying to get into this momentum of things now that this is my new thing, but I'm gonna try and get as much content as I can for you guys, not only to create memories for myself, but to entertain you guys along the way as well, and then hopefully progress with the channel and everything else. The future goal for this entire channel is to expand into the field where it's kind of like the other platforms. You know, there's a lot of car channels out there, and I want to overplay it, but like TJ Hunt, Dustin Williams, all of them, is basically get a warehouse, get another project car and another project car, and keep progressing into that field, because I have so many plans and ambitions for that thing, and that's my passion, of course. I love the cars, and the Civic Si was supposed to be project number 1. It's not just the ending of you know, the project. It's always going to be there, and I'm just hoping to expand in that. You know, I love the Civic, but I definitely want other cars. Like I love a Supra, I love a Z. My dream car, if you guys don't already know, is a GTR R34 Skyline. I'm pretty sure that's a lot of people's dream cars, but maybe we'll own one day. I don't know. It's a future goal and a future passion of mine that I sought for. So there's a lot of things that I'm going to be expanding into that field. I'm going to keep this mindset, keep this flow going, and you know, hopefully we hit 50K, we hit 100K, and we just keep expanding in that direction. I have high ambitions for it, and I just want to keep pursuing this thing. And I really, really, really just want to thank you guys, because you have made it possible for me to take those stepping stones into moving forward in my life, and to have the confidence that I have now. Honestly, I never had this confidence before. I never had this drive before, and it's literally because of you guys. Other than that, I guess side news too. I don't know if you guys really care too much, but we released the merch site, and we have drop number 3 that we just came out with. I did prompt out a few decals up there too. We have the Boost Season out for you guys, so that's for my Turbo boys out there, and a few other decals, but I'm just trying to get creative. This is something that I'm expanding in as well. That's a new journey, and I just like sending these out, and I love seeing these on your guys' cars too, because I don't know, it makes me happy. On top of that, for the winter season, we got some hoodies. We got the PhongVLG hoodie, as you guys know, the Keep Grinding, Stay Humble logo. Of course, gotta represent, so I'm actually happy to rock these out, especially with the winter season around. And it's definitely surreal to see this on a sweater. I know you can easily print stuff like this, but to be able to expand this out to you guys, if you guys like to share it, and expand this motto, because this motto means a lot to me, and so does the logo. There's so much more behind everything, obviously, but this is where I've kind of like branched myself into, and it's become. On top of that, guys, we got another sweater request, because I know you guys actually love this a lot. But the Fit Me Kinda Sus stuff, that was going around quite a bit. A lot of people enjoyed it, so we did Fit Me Kinda Sus hoodies for you guys, and I actually did it in multiple colors, so you will not just be only having the option for red, but you can get your purple, yellow, green, blue. It's all up there. Unfortunately, though, the stock color is going to be black, so but you can always change the character color. So that's going to be out for you guys as well. There's yeah, there's all that stuff. I'll get more drops out. I'm trying to be creative in that field, and I just like expanding all that stuff. So thank you guys also who support me in that. That means a whole lot to me, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. But if you guys like to check that out, again, it's PhongPack.com, or link in the description below, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to tag it right here too. But you guys can check out the site and just support me in that way too. You guys already support me enough in the channel. If you guys don't mind liking and sharing the video, and on top of that, just hitting that subscribe button if you're new. Goal is, I think the next goal is to get to 50K, or 15K actually. If we can get to 15K, that'd be sick, because I know 15K is one of the goals of mine. 20K is another huge one, and then 50K. 50 and 100K are like the big goals. Like that's one's like, dang, like mama, we made it. So those are the two big goals, guys. I don't want to expand out too much in this video. I know there's actually a lot of other clips that I've also added to this video, which was a complete car meet fail, but I figured I'm gonna add it in there anyways. And it's entertaining content. But I'm sure I've talked for the past 15-20 minutes probably, hopefully less. And I really just want to say thank you guys for everything. We've now taken this leap of faith in our life, and you know, you guys are family, and I carry you guys with me everywhere I go. So if you can please continue to support me in this field. I have taken that milestone, and yeah, we'll just keep leveling up from here, guys. So as always, you guys already know, keep grinding, stay humble, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. And I love you guys, man. You guys are amazing, honestly. You have no idea how contagious your guys' words are. The comments, the amazing comments that you guys leave too, those impact me hugely. So thank you guys a lot. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah. All right, so they're filling up E. I'm already good. We got some Chick-fil-A for Anthony. Put that in his seat there for him. If you guys remember Anthony in his Type R. We got the SI. We got Jordan over here. Whoop, whoop. What's up, brother?
What's up, dude?
Hey, say what's up to the vlog. Filling up that E2?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit?
Just a little bit.
We all gotta get that E. Now the only downside is that Anthony's not getting enough. He's only, how many gallons you put in?
4.3, I'm 2 gallons short.
Oh man, oh 4.3, so
yeah.
You'll be at like maybe E30.
Yeah, about E30.
You know?
Yeah.
It's all good, it's better than not having E,
yeah,
so hey, still caught lacking.
Damn it, dude.
So I can't get caught lacking, bro. Why were you on that 91? Why are you on that 91?
Oh, because I have to drive all the way to Phone, bro.
Alright, so we're gonna head out right now. It's just us three?
We're waiting for Brian. Brian's on his way.
Oh, okay,
To a different gas station.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, so we're gonna be heading over to the meet soon. We are running a little short on time. It's already 7:50. We already said it starts at 8 o'clock. Yeah, I mean, it's still be early. It's just getting in's gonna suck. That's all I know. Is getting in's gonna suck. Sounds so good. Where are we gonna park up? Are we just gonna wait right here?
Yeah, I guess.
Well, this one's out of service anyway, so I'll move up a little bit so that my car isn't completely out of the way. But yeah. So as you guys can see, Anthony in the distance over there, he's trying to find an area to go to the restroom. I don't know why he's going so far. What tune are you on?
Base maps?
Oh, you're just on the base map?
Yeah, because I was gonna go full race turbo, and then I decided not to last minute, so.
Why?
I got scared.
Why? Oh, because of the block?
The block, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I already found a buyer for it, so I'll sell it, and then I'm gonna go PRL.
Okay.
Supposedly December, but who knows?
Yeah, we'll see, man. They sometimes lack on that stuff.
If they take too long, I'm gonna go pure.
Pure? Oh yeah, because then it's a direct drop-in too. Is PRL's a drop-in or is it a full kit?
Drop in.
Oh, drop-in too? Okay.
And I already have everything PRL bolt-on, so it's like...
Oh, you were just like, why not?
Fit, but they're taking too long and I'm getting too anxious because that's what I'm waiting to do my tune.
Oh, okay. Are you going to build the block?
No, so this is my plan. Hopefully I stick to it. Tune, turbo, that's where this car is going to end for me. Not end, but that's where I'll stop modding because I want to buy an S2K.
Oh.
And then that's going to be like my project.
Okay, that will be the project. This is just the daily.
Yeah.
That's
I saw
sick,
one
bro.
at the track and I really want one now.
I always love the wrap. Every time I see your car in the wrap, bro, it looks so good.
It's so dirty right now.
Eh, it's okay. You can't even tell. Rocking on them Titan 7s. Ooh. Fresh. Those are probably going to be my future wheels. If not,
they're so awesome, bro. It's such an inexpensive like wheel, and
yeah, and
so
dude,
good.
and they're light too, and they're track wheels.
Yeah, this is my track setup. I've just been too lazy to switch them out.
Damn, bro, but that gap though, bro, that fitment is definitely kind of sus.
It is. What's it called? Once I get the splitter, then I'm gonna go Swifts.
Okay. Oh, Swifts, yeah, Swifts will drop you nicely.
Yeah.
But no, it looks good. I think the one thing too that I like a lot was your hood.
I love
It's still my favorite hood that I've seen, especially with the nice. This is a good touch.
A little duct.
Yeah,
Goes
I like
well
that.
with the intake, but I like it. A little different.
Yeah, no, it is, though. It is. Especially the color, like I said, man. I don't know. Every time I see anything in like Sandstorm or something like that, it just always looks so nice. So I like this. Hey, were you able to go? You good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right behind you, boys. Lucky Seafood.
Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna have to go through this and just make a U-turn then. Okay, sounds good. All right, so it's time to head out. Like I said, we're gonna be late, but fashionably late. Right now we're just actually not going to the location anymore. I guess we found out that people are getting pulled over left and right outside the location, and the location is actually inside a parking garage, so you actually have to pay to get inside. So if you're inside, you're chilling, but for the people outside, they were getting pulled over. So we're now going to head over to just a location to just chill at for now, and we'll see until they send a second location hopefully. But yeah, I'm not, obviously for me, I'm not trying to get pulled over, so that's not on my go-to list today. All right, so we're here at Tajima.
Oh,
Dude.
And
sick.
the car meet was a complete fail. None of us were able to get in. It got shut down twice already, so we gave up. And they're gonna go to what? IKEA right now?
Yeah, Kia.
No, we're not.
Hey, I'm gonna plug myself right now. Check out my OnlyFans.
But yeah, so we're just gonna get food. It was a complete fail. Thought it was gonna be a big car meet, hoping to get that content for you guys, but you can hear like all the sirens and everything right now. So we're getting that nice that ramen.
Yeah, dinner's gonna be on Ryan tonight for a successful
Whoa,
business.
Whoa, what you mean? Whoa, I don't know what he's talking about. It's actually gonna be on Anthony tonight for successful business.
Wait, what the hell?
So this is from an Instagram live right here, but dang, they are mobbing.
In oil or?
No, because of the lightning strips.
Yeah.
That's insane.
It is an autograph. He's famous.
Yeah, I know.
On text yourself the receipt.
Yeah, sure.
And this is why I'm very glad
Actually, can you email it?
we did not go.